हर्षिता हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एंड वेलकम बैक टू येट अनदर सिटिंग एपिसोड। तो यहाँ पे आज मैंने खुद को एक चैलेंज दिया है। इट इज लाइक अ मेकअप काइंड ऑफ चैलेंज जो कि मैं बहुत रेयरली करती हूँ। यू गाइज नो मी, अगर आप मुझे फॉलो करते आए हैं ऑन माई चैनल, यू नो आई लाइक एक्सप्लोरिंग मार्केट्स, आई लाइक गोइंग टू प्लेसेस, स्पेशली जहाँ पे ज्वेलरी मिलती हो या कपड़े मिलते हो। आई लव एक्सप्लोरिंग एंड लेटिंग यू नो कि यहाँ पे ये चीज बहुत अफोर्डेबल रेट में मिल रही है। बट समटाइम्स आई डू सिट बैक एंड टॉक टू यू गाइज, एंड आज मैंने खुद को चैलेंज किया है विद द मेकअप प्रोडक्ट। सो आई एम नॉट लाइक अ मेकअप प्रो और आई एम नॉट अ पर्सन जिसने मेकअप सीखा है और समथिंग लाइक दैट। वट एवर आई मैनेज टू डू इज जस्ट माई ओन tried and tested methods. So yeah, please forgive me if I'm going wrong or something like that, or if you have a different way of doing things, क्योंकि ये वाला जो स्टाइल है ये मैं जनरली अडेप्ट करती हूँ। मैंने एक ही मेकअप वीडियो अभी तक अपने चैनल पे पहले की है जिसमें मैंने लॉकडाउन के टाइम दिखाया था कि इफ यू डोंट हैव द मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स, हाउ यू कैन एक्चुअली गो एंड डू योर मेकअप विद जस्ट बेसिक लिपस्टिक्स एंड एलोवेरा जेल एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स. So if you haven't checked it, I'll link it right here. Also put it in the description box. Do check it out. But now let's jump into today's video. So guys, basically I have all this makeup right here. I have makeup from Nykaa, I have makeup from My Glam. So what I've done is I have tried to challenge myself with a budget of 500. So all the products are under 500. All the products are perfect for beginners. If you are a beginner, I am a beginner too myself. So मैंने खुद को challenge किया है. मैं आपको sequence में दिखाऊंगी चीजें. In the sequence we generally apply, like I apply in that sequence. So yeah, without any further ado, let's start with the first product. So the very first thing which I have is this, which is the L'Oreal Paris 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum. So इसके बारे में मैंने बहुत सुना है, आपने भी सुना होगा, हो सकता है आप में से कुछ लोग यूज भी कर रहे हो. This is their small bottle which is of 15 ml and this retails around 499, which is under 500, and especially I took it from Nykaa, so I got it around 449. So I will just put the prices on which I got here. So yeah, Nykaa की सेल जब चल रही थी तब मैंने लिया था. तो this is what it looks like. It's a small bottle and yeah, 15 ml इतना ही होता है. So yeah, you can see I have started using it and I have started feeling the change in my skin. ऐसा नहीं है guys कि आप ये लगाते ही आपकी स्किन एकदम बहुत ज्यादा ग्लो हो जाएगी, ऐसा नहीं है. But it will glow eventually over time because जो hyaluronic acid होता है वो actually में हमारी बॉडी में already होता है. And as you grow in age, as we tend to age, वो you know it tends to reduce. And the best part is hyaluronic acid can hold 1000 molecules of itself, so that's a very good thing. तो basically आप इसको try कर सकते हैं. Now I am somebody जिसकी स्किन बहुत सेंसिटिव है and I have seen so many videos on this and I finally kind of took a leap कि okay मैं ट्राई करती हूँ, इसीलिए मैंने ये 15 ml की बॉटल ली है and I generally apply it at night. That is how I use it, or sometimes even before my makeup, just as a base to just moisturize my skin. तो उस तरीके से मैं यूज करती हूँ. बहुत ही थोड़ा लेना होता है. It's a very clear solution, as you can see. It's a liquid clear solution and yeah, it does not have a lot of fragrance to it. A mild smell is there, but yeah, it comes with a dropper. You can drop them on the fingertips, and then just pat it on your face. So yeah, this is the first product which I got, and this is what I generally use as a moisturizer if I'm not using my night cream as my moisturizer. So yeah, this is the first product I got. So guys, the next product which I generally use is of course a primer, and this one I use from Lakme Absolute. This is their Blur Perfect Makeup Primer, which is of 10 grams. Again, मैं बहुत छोटे-छोटे versions लेती हूँ इन सब चीजों के because I don't do use them on daily basis, so I don't need them that much. I already have one and this is the new the bottle, whatever you want to say. So ये actually में काफी अच्छा है. It actually blurs a lot of your imperfections and it is perfect. Actually it is very very good. It is very smooth on my skin and does wonders for me. So yeah, this is what I generally use, and this retails around 299 for 10 gram, which is of course under 500. Again, अगर आप Nykaa से लेंगे तो आपको और डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा. So that's like a win-win situation. So guys, after moisturizing my skin and applying the primer, मैं generally उसको 2-3 मिनट ऐसे रहने देती हूँ. तब तक मैं कुछ ना कुछ और कर रही होती हूँ, like applying lip balm or something like that. And then guys, I apply the Swiss Beauty's concealer. Now yes, I use concealer first, then my base. That is how I work. It's absolutely fine. आप कैसे use करना चाहते हैं, it's totally on you. And I have not included it in this haul because I had already shown that in my last Nykaa's haul, which is the Swiss Beauty. They have beautiful shades. They have 6 shades and अमेजिंग कवरेज गाइस. कभी कभी आई जस्ट अप्लाई द कंसीलर एंड दैट्स इट. आई डोंट इवन नीड द बेस. जैसे कि आज भी मैंने बहुत ही थोड़ा सा बेस लगाया है, जिसके बारे में मैं थोड़ी देर में बताती हूँ आपको. बट this is how my makeup looks like. I have reduced the amount of base material which I use, which is not the foundation. मैं generally foundation नहीं लगाती हूँ. I use a Garnier's BB cream and I use a compact from Faces Canada. Again, these two things I have already included in my last haul. So after actually doing my concealer, I do conceal my eye, this also, eyelids also, and then I start applying my eyeshadow, and that's the next product which I have, which is this. Again from Swiss Beauty. Oh my god guys, Swiss Beauty has amazing eyeshadow palettes. This is a 9 eyeshadow palette, and I guess it retails around like 229 is the retail price, but I really remember कि मुझे Nykaa से 197 का मिला, which is so affordable. So it comes in such beautiful shades. I guess ये same that Perkimis ने भी लिया था, मैंने उनको देखा था यूज करते हुए, and I was like really in love with the colors, and I luckily got, क्योंकि जैसे ही मैंने इसके पहले वाली जो चॉइस करी थी, जो पहले शेड्स चुने थे, जैसे ही मैं जब तक बाकी सब ले रही थी वो आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो गया. एंड देन आई फाउंड दिस वन एंड आई वाज लाइक हाँ, ये तो उन्होंने भी यूज किया है, एंड दिस इज रियली नाइस. तो this is how it looks like. It has a shades of brown, then a shades like a couple of shades of pink जो आप eyelids के ऊपर यूज कर सकते हैं, but highly pigmented guys, as you can see. Okay, very good pigmentation. Okay, and they are very good, very affordable and perfect for beginners. अगर आप एक beginner है तो आप इसको perfectly use कर सकते हैं. So guys, क्योंकि हम बात कर रहे हैं eyes की, तो next thing after doing my eyeshadow, I generally apply this eyeliner which is Color Bars. ये मेरे हर haul में होता है और अभी नया piece है तो मैंने सोचा आपको ये दिखा देती है. If you don't know, this is the eyeliner I use, and some people do ask me which eyeliner I use. So this is it. This retails around 425, but again Nykaa पे मुझे 300 कुछ में मिला था, तो a good discount. It is little small when you talk about the bottle, it's just 2.5, but I like when I just show you, I really like कि eyeliners के जो ये है वॉन है वो थोड़ा सा मोटा मुझे पसंद है, मुझे पतला नहीं पसंद है, जो थोड़ा फ्लिम्जी सा होता है मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता है. आई लाइक अ लिटिल स्टेडी वन सो दैट आई कैन जस्ट डू लाइक दिस. दैट इज हाउ आई लाइक इट. टोटली अ पर्सनल चॉइस. एंड गाइज, दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई हैव गॉट अ मस्कारा फॉर माई सेल्फ फ्रॉम फेसेस कैनेडा. Oh my god, this is another great invention by Faces Canada. This is their Magnet Eyes Dramatic Voluminizing Mascara, and if you can actually see, I feel my eyes look little bigger and brighter because of this. My eyelids also, it is so voluminizing. It's very good. I have never tried mascaras much. I'm not a mascara person, but this is the first time I got this, and this also I got for 200 or something. I will put the links of all these things in the description box. Do check it out, and you can actually use it very well. So yeah, this is the next thing which I do. So guys, ये तो हो गई बेसिक मेकअप की बात. अभी इसके बाद एक्चुअली मैं आईज करने के बाद मैं अपना बेस लगाती हूँ, जैसा मैंने आपको बोला, एंड देन आई यूज अ फेसेस कॉम्पैक्ट, एंड दैट्स प्रीटी मच इट. बट आई यूज अ हाइलाइटर फ्रॉम अगेन Maybelline, which is the chrome highlighter, and आज मैंने Gorgeous Girl का जो आई शेडो है एक्चुअली पिंक, दैट आई हैव यूज एज माई ब्लश. सो आई एम नॉट श्योर whether you can actually see it, but it's a very beautiful light pink shade. I don't like my cheeks being very pink also, so that kind of works for me. Moving on to the lipstick now. So this is something which I did go out of budget a little bit. So this is their My Glam. Now we have reached My Glam. So this is their My Glam's lip pencil, and it's in a beautiful brownish shade, and this is how it looks. I have already started using it. As you can see, this retails for 475 or something like that, and उसपे थोड़ा बहुत डिस्काउंट होता है, but they have so many beautiful colors, and My Glam products are very smooth, especially on the lips. I've got a couple of lipsticks from them earlier also, and बहुत ही अच्छा है. Guys, if you're using a nude lipstick, this is just like a tip. I actually saw a lot of people do this, so I just kind of learned from them कि अगर आप nude lipstick कुछ use कर रहे हो तो always use the lip pencil on your lips, like fully fill them and then use it whatever lipstick you want to use. And Manish Malhotra's lipsticks are very smooth. They are so smooth, guys, and just to make them a little bit more long lasting, you first apply this and then you use this one. So I have this beautiful shade which is like a nude shade, which is their Sunset Shine, and this is a very very beautiful shade. This is the only thing which is out of 500 wala budget. This is for 950, but it's a very very good investment, so definitely you can try this. But if you don't want to invest in something like this, I have another lipstick which is from Lenfor, which is their Velvet Stick lipstick. Guys, इनकी भी लिपस्टिक्स बहुत ही अच्छी होती हैं, and this is also a beautiful nude shade. First of all, look at the packaging. It's such a beautiful lipstick, and it is almost the same color as Manish Malhotra, so yeah, you can definitely invest in that also. This one retails for 449. It is also available on Nykaa. This brand is available on Nykaa. I did check and I did get it from there. But I also showed you in the last video where I had gone to this beauty center. वहाँ पे मैंने actually इनकी ये range देखी थी, and I was really fond of the range, so I just wanted to try. It retails for 449 as I said, and उसके ऊपर कुछ ना कुछ discount आपको definitely मिल जाएगा. Again from My Glam, another lipstick which you can try is their liquid lipstick, which is again the Velvet Matte lipstick. Oh my god guys, these also come in such amazing shades. This one I just want to show you. Oh my god, this is a beautiful pink kind of a shade, but not over the top pink. I'll just swatch and show you. This is how it looks like, and it's a very subtle kind of a pink shade, and these are again very affordable. These are around 200 something, and then उसके ऊपर कुछ ना कुछ discount है. इसमें भी आपको वो nudish shade मिल जाएगा if you are a fan of liquid lipsticks rather than the matte kind of lipsticks or the other kind of lipsticks. So that is another choice which you can definitely have. So I'm giving you like a pro tip as well. Apart from these all things guys, मैंने एक दो चीजें और ली जो मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती हूँ. I got this hand cream from Nykaa, and this is the second time I have actually invested in the hand creams. First I had the Bath and Body Works hand cream, and oh my god, that was actually I'm gonna go back to that, I'm sorry, but that smells so divine, and vanilla and all. This is also vanilla and cinnamon, but the cinnamon smell is a little stronger than the vanilla. I don't feel like the vanilla की smell ज़्यादा आ रही है. But guys, this is also very affordable. It retails for 299, and of course Nykaa पे आपको कुछ ना कुछ discount मिल जाएगा. I guess I got it for 190 or something, like 100 rupees कुछ off मिल गया, which is a very good deal. So इसमें भी बहुत सारे you have flavors or tints, whatever you want to call it. It does smell good, but yeah, I like that one more. So yeah, I'll put a picture of that one here so that you can actually go and check that out also. Also guys, I got myself a new nail paint which is from Color Bar, and this is their 814 jumpsuit shade, which is amazing name for such a shade. But yeah, and I actually did apply it the day it came, and still it is still there. I did chip off a little bit, but इसको बहुत दिन हो गए मैंने ये सारा कुछ order किया है. It was just in the pipeline. This video was in the pipeline, so I couldn't do it. So yeah, a very good shade. And I also got the Color Bar's nail paint remover if you want something like this. ये guys बहुत ही बड़ा है compared to other nail paint removers. So something, again, it is 110 ml and it retails for 145, and उस पे भी आपको Nykaa पे discount मिल जाता है. I guess I got it for 90 rupees. So a very good nail paint remover, and it is very good, let me tell you, and doesn't smell also that. So that's it guys, I got all these things, and I did try to stay in budget of 500, और मैंने आपको सारी चीजें जो है वो 500 के नीचे ही दिखाई हैं. These things are perfect for beginners if you are a beginner. Only this is something which I did go over the top, but yeah, I kind of love it, so थोड़ा बहुत चलता है. But I have given you alternative also. Do try other lipsticks and other brands also, as I had told you in the last video. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, do give this video a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel, and take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.